Hi, it's Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Ford Ranger, stock reference number 5888. This shape ran from the 6th of 2018 to the 4th of 2022. It has a YN2S 4-cylinder 2.2 litre bi-turbo diesel engine backed by an auto 4-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our YN2S 4-cylinder 2.2 litre bi-turbo diesel engine. Grille, left-hand headlight, left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Bonnet, no dents. Left-hand mirror, left front door, deep scratches at the bottom, good private. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front guard, less flare. No dents. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand headlight. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console, gear stick, heat AC controls, touchscreen display, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, tidy leather 3-spoke steering wheel with audio, cruise and phone buttons.